and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to test week. Today I have a test actually in like 20 minutes. So yeah, I don't know how I feel. I honestly don't know how I feel because all the first semester tests and shit. Yeah, but anxious because you never know what to expect. So yeah, let's go. After that, I need to go to the library, complete my assignments before my tutorial so that I can consult. Yes. And then yeah, after writing, I need to prepare for my test again, which is on Monday. Today is a Wednesday. Resting is for the weekend, I guess, because wow. But yeah, it's only for a week. That's what I told myself. I just need to be disciplined, sacrifice my sleep just for a week, and then afterwards I'm gonna be good to go. Without wasting your guys' time, let me leave. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. What else? Oh, and I also hope that you will enjoy this video. So let us go. Class is done, test is done, one test down, one more to go. But yeah, when you get home. Let us go for consultations. If everything goes well, I'm going home. If not, I'm gonna have to sit for another hour in the library. It will honestly depend on how everything goes. So yep. Hi guys, I come back. So yeah, I left around just before 8 because I had an 8 o'clock class in the morning. And I spent the entire morning in the library until by 12 I was like, nope, let me actually go and consult, because the consultation times were from 12:30 until 2:30 if I'm not mistaken. Man, if you got up here, the queue was ridiculously long. My gosh. So I was just like, no, because I already booked an appointment with my tutor tomorrow. I might as well just go and attend that consultation. So yeah, I decided to buy food. I'm taking my chips now. Like, I just need something that's gonna put me to bed, like like I need all those power naps, those 5-hour power naps. That's what I need after last night, because guys, you can't tell me I was up at, because I was also anxious about my paper yesterday. So I was up at, before alarm I make time, before 9:30. Let's say 9, because I think it was around that time. I was up, and then I didn't take a nap. And then around 2-3ish in the morning, and I was up at 7, but I'm still fine. And I know at some point I'm gonna crash, and I don't need that. Like, I don't want that right now. So yeah, onto serious things. Let's unbox this because yesterday I actually didn't get a chance to do so. So let's talk. Guys, how is your mental health? Because I know for one that I struggle with my mental health, and yeah, I think it's all go rough, especially if it's going to be like weekend. So it's like approaching Thursday, Friday, and then you have sizzles. I'm not good. I tend to isolate, and that is not a good thing to do. Like, that is not a good thing to do. And my friend, I also do this with her because in Gaza took too long. I can't go. So she will try and go some so yeah, and it actually helps. And since I don't want to say this, but yeah, I just might because so opening and you just don't know. I think it's like you can't express yourself, or you feel like you don't need a person to talk to. You're gonna deal with yourself. So I know I struggle. Anyways, I got a package from Dr. Notla. She's a psychiatrist. She deals with all of these things that I'm mentioning right now: your anxiety or disorder, your anxiety or depression, your psychiatrist disorders, whatever you name it. So she's based in Centurion. I'll try and put her details somewhere around the screen. And if you suffer from all these things like I do, please guys, I know it may be hard, but speaking to someone professional actually does help, because she will provide you with the solutions, whatever medication that you need to take. So if you are going to self-diagnose yourself or self-medicate like I do, it's not a good idea. I wouldn't recommend. So yeah, let's actually unbox this and let's see. I hope I don't cut anything. Okay, it's open. So first up we have balancing and affirmations. Oh, this is so cute because I like it. I can't even open this. Like I believe in word of affirmations. I know I do it sometimes, but I feel like if it comes from a different person rather than myself, it's a bit better, so at least I can, affirm myself every morning with these cards. Love it. Love it. Eat, move, repeat. Down a glass of water. Down a glass of water. Guys, drink water. I drink my water like I'm a crazy girl. And then we got ourselves a journal. Oh, this is so cool. And also, I don't know why I stopped. I used to journal actually a lot. Like mine is a lot from 2018 until 2022, because since last year I haven't done it at all. And what did I want to say? Oh yeah, and I have those journals. I know it's there somewhere Ekaya, because I couldn't believe it actually. This one journal that I used, it was actually like a diary about like for your test dates, but at the same time I'll try to squeeze in some journaling and stuff, which was good because I actually came across that diary I think 2022, and then I had written down some goals, and one of those goals was to create a YouTube channel. And at that time I had the previous one, and I was so proud of myself. I was like, actually, like if you write something down and you put your mind to it, you can do it. So this is the journal that I have, that I got. Can't wait to use it. Can't wait to use it. I love it. Love it. And lastly we have, this is so cool. Hey girl, we have an acrylic memo stand. Oh, okay. Wait. This is my ink. Oh, this is so cool. Actually, you can write on it on a marker. Okay. Even more reasons to clean my desk. To keep. As now you complete anyone. This bag is recycled. So cool. So this is the stand, and then this is the memo pad. It's the pen. Oh, I love it. Thank you so much. I really love it, and I cannot wait to start using them. So yeah, I'll see you guys on probably when I take down these braids, because there's nothing exciting to do right now besides watch some YouTube and call it a day. Good morning. It's not a good morning. Well, for me. Good morning, fam. It's a Monday and the time is 7:44 in the morning. I'm about to take my test at 8 and my eyes are puffy because I'm tongo. Last night, I don't know. I think I'm a different breed of students. Like guys, I don't sleep at all. So I don't know. Probably something is wrong with me. I woke up at 8 actually. Just in case my laptop doesn't want to work, I ran to campus and used the computers there to take my test. But it seems like we are functioning fine. Submissions today, I have this. It opens at 8 until 9:30. And it opens, that's the duration of the test, in 90 minutes. And then the second one is an assignment that I need to submit. I was just waiting for feedback, and apparently the total like me that's going on, but it's fine. I'll sort that out. It's due before 12. I mean midday. And then I have a quiz that's due 23:59, and then after this I'm done. Questions, 90 minutes. Yeah, let's push. Test is officially done, and now I am trying to edit this assignment, and then I need to submit before 12 on lunch. Right now the time is 20 to 10, and then at least submitting before 10:30 or latest 11. And so I'm pasting in the wrong place. My word. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna do that and then sleep, because whether I like it or not. Good morning, well, good afternoon actually. I am here to close off this vlog. It's been very long. Test week is over. I was done with everything yesterday, I think around 8 p.m. So yeah, I need to breathe. After that, I didn't do anything. I know that I already had an assignment for recess, which I haven't attended. I still have a few readings that I need to do. Yeah, well, so yeah, right now I'm off to campus. I need to print out my tickets for the event on Friday, and then my flight tickets for Sunday. I'm printing out my ticket because I've never used that flight before, so I don't know whether they are gonna, require a hard copy, or I can literally just show them the emails on my phone. Okay, I have my student card. So yeah, basically that's it. I am wrapping up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. This was the realist vlog of my life nje. My success into zing that was just the glimpse. So I was, oh, okay, so this is what you go through during test week. So yeah, basically that's it. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Give this video a huge thumbs up. And yeah, but let's go to campus, and then yeah, the video will be done. So yeah, OTD, my word, it is so windy outside. Actually, my mask, let me get my mask because I'm no more. And I mean, I need dust season. There's also as so yep, OTD. I'm just wearing a long black dress and my slides, and then I have my bag because if it wasn't for this, I wasn't gonna go to campus. Like, I'm for no, especially the library, because I spent entire week in Lapaya. So no, that's not nice. But unfortunately, I am going there to print out my things. So yeah, let's go. Actually, I left my mask up. Let's go to the library. I don't have time to take out these twists because I'm just gonna be there for like 5 minutes with a boy, and it's windy. I just washed my hair, so no. Let's go. I will see you guys on campus.